Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming an update for my project pan. Again, sorry about the lighting. I'm still trying to figure it out. Hopefully I can fix it in editing, but the lights in here are just terrible, and I only have like one window in front of me, and it doesn't really give off much light. So I tried to adjust it on my camera a little bit, but it still looks really orange. So yeah, I'm going to try to fix that in editing so that it's not so orange. But yeah, just work with me. I only have 5 more months left of living in this dorm-sized room. So hopefully, wherever I go next, we will have some normal lighting. But yeah, let's just jump into this. This is my rolling project pan update. And yeah, I've got a lot of progress. So let's start out with empties. First, I used up the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Face Primer. This is just a sample size, and this was almost gone last update, so this is officially done. And then I also finished my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. This again was almost done at the last update, but it is now done. I finished the It Cosmetics, what is this, CC Plus cream in the shade Medium. I really love this stuff, and I do have other shades, so this is now done. And last for face, I also finished the Clinique Moisture Surge CC Cream. And this, again, didn't have much left in it on last update. Next, I have some mascaras. So, in the last update, I was using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and this was pretty much dried up by then, so this is definitely done. And then I went to roll in my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and this one was actually already dried up. So I didn't get to use that, it was dried up. Then I rolled in another one, tried to use that one was dried up. And then I had another baby sample, and that one was also dried up. So all 3 of these were dried up. So those are all done. And then the last empty that I have is actually my e.l.f. bronzer. The blush, of course, I wasn't working on, so that is still in there, but the bronzer side is empty. There you go, some nice pan. But yes, so this I'm just going to put in like my blush drawer now that is just a blush, and the rest we're going to throw away. Okay, so that's everything that's empty. Let's get into what I have progress on. So I tried to be a little bit more organized this time. I put them kind of in order of the way that I put them on my face. So hopefully that'll be better than last update. Last update was kind of all over the place. But first, we have my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And this is still like pretty full. I've used it a handful of times, but it is like still full to the top. I can't mark it anywhere. Next, I have my Trustique concealer crayon, and that is all that I have left. Not much left. Let me put it to the paper. So, on the paper we have right here the second one, the Trustique crayon, and we are now, I'd say, about another third of the way gone, so it's pretty steady progress, and now there's about like 1/3 left. I'm just gonna keep working on that. I like it, it still matches me. I really just use it on days where I don't want to wear a lot of makeup, but I want to cover up like pimples or redness. Next, I actually didn't end up using the Marc Jacobs powder or foundation. They were both too dark for me. I used them both like once, and then my tan faded really fast since I wasn't outdoors anymore with my team. So I ended up rolling in the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in Light. And this was brand new when I started working on it, so I started working on it pretty much initially after I posted that video. And this is where we are. So I have pretty good pan. There's a little bit of hard pan on the top, but it's not really affecting it much. I really like this powder. It's kind of like thicker. So you probably could just wear this as a foundation. But I really like this, and I think honestly, since I've been behind on updates, this probably could be gone by next update. So there's another view of that. Let's do my eye primer. So this is the NP Set Eye Primer. Again, I've used this a few times, but not enough to draw a new line. I still like this. It still works pretty good. I don't wear this on an everyday basis. Just when I am going out or something. Next, let's do eyeshadows. So we have my Smashbox Full Exposure palette, and I'm working on the matte cream shade. And that is where we are now. Where are we? Right here. And I have pretty good pan in there. I actually am going to be repressing this probably today because it is getting hard to get my brush in there. I do use a bigger brush with this, and the pan size is pretty small to start with. But yeah, I'm going to be repressing this. I also have the Balm Desert. This is a bronzer sample, but I use it as an eyeshadow in my crease. And I hit pan in that guy. I'm going to probably do some close-ups of the powder products. So I'll put those in as we go. But here is this. I really like this. I've been using it every day. If you haven't seen, I don't know which is going up first, my Pan Those eyeshadows or this. I drew in a shade similar to this to my Pan Those eyeshadows. So I'm using that until I hit pan on it. So this is kind of on the back burner for right now. Until I hit pan on the new shade that I'm working on. Next, I have my Sephora eyeliner. And this is all that we have left. Not much of anything. I can't sharpen this anymore, so I'm just using it until I can't use it anymore. And let's find it on here. Sephora liner. So right against the side, we had good progress the first month. To right there. And then this is this month. And then, again, I can't sharpen it, so the rest is just packaging. That's going to be gone within the next couple days, so I am going to roll in a new eyeliner, but I'll do that at the end of this video. Next, I have my Avon eyeliner in Flashy Copper, and I'm not even going to show you the paper because there wasn't enough progress to mark anything, but there is that guy. I've used this a handful of times, not a ton. I've been using my eyeshadows on my lower lash line instead of that, so that's why that hasn't gotten much progress. And next we have the Cella liquid eyeliner. This is still going strong. Again, I haven't used this. I used it maybe once this past update, but not a ton. My, what is this? Lancome mascara primer. I have actually been using the past few days since this mascara is getting more dry. But other than that, I haven't worn it much before the last couple days. So a little bit of progress, not a ton. And then this is my Tarte Gifted mascara. This is the one that I started working on when I finished the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara. This is almost done, so I'm going to roll in a new mascara again at the end. We also have my eyebrow pencil. So I have pretty good progress on this. The cap is broken, so it's kind of annoying, but we've used a good chunk of this. I have to sharpen this quite frequently too because it's really creamy. But let me find this on my paper. Here we go. So we used that much since last time. Let's see. Next I have my powder bronzer. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Bronzer. And that's what that's looking like. You can see the rings, but you've kind of been able to see the rings since I started on it. So I'm not entirely sure how much longer before I hit pan. I think I could probably hit pan by next update, but I think it'll be close. And then we have my Makeup Forever blush. Been wearing this quite a bit. Not a ton of noticeable progress, but I think that's just because it's so small that my brush covers the entire thing, so it's just taking it off layer by layer. But yeah, we're just going to keep working on this. I really like this for every day. It's a perfect, just natural blush color. And then we have my cream highlighter and cream bronzer. It's the NARS South Beach and e.l.f. Promersion. I didn't use either of these, so they're still the same. So you can check out my last video if you want to see them rolled up, but I'm not going to even bother opening these. I haven't been wanting to wear creams, and also I don't give myself a lot of time in the mornings, so I haven't been using those. We have, before we get into lips, I'm going to do my Bare Minerals palette. This has my highlighter and then 2 eyeshadows. Sorry, my phone just went off. Turn that off. So there's my highlighter. I'll probably do a close-up of this one. I've got pretty good pan in there. There, you can see it there. I'm going to have to repress this soon. And then I do have pan in the pink eyeshadow. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that. Oh, maybe right there. And then I haven't used the purple yet, but I'll probably do a close-up of this too. Alright, let's get into lips. So, we're just going to go through these 4 quickly. Same 4 from the beginning. We have the Makeup Forever lipstick, haven't touched that. The Hourglass lip gloss, this should have taken me a month to use up, but I just don't use it. So that's at the same place, I haven't touched that. I use my Marc Jacobs lip liner maybe once or twice, but again, not enough progress to make a new line. And same with the Lac & Co. Lil Lip, I used this once on my lips, and I haven't been using it as a cream blush at all either. So, again, no progress on that. The lipstick that I do use is the Revlon Strawberry Shortcake. This is just easy to throw on every day, which is why I use this one, and that's all that's left. Not much. Let me show you on the paper. So this one right here, that was the first update, second update, and then that's what's left. So there's not a ton left. I think that should be gone by the next update, and then we can put something else in its place. But yeah, we're just going to keep working on that. That's everything that I have been working on. Now we're going to roll in some new products, which, let's do these 3 first because I've been working on them. They're just being introduced to the project. This is the Tarte Found Sealer Foundation. There's not a ton left in there. I have a line right there of where we are right now. But I've been using this pretty consistently for the last couple weeks. And yeah, it's a really good color match for me actually right now. So I'm going to keep using that up until that's gone. And then same with the Instant Age Rewind concealer. We are right there. This was actually full when I started working on it, so I did use up that much just in between now and when I started working on it. So I think if I do get some more good use out of this, it could be close to being done by next update. And then I also use this every single day. This is the Brow Gal tinted brow gel. This is just a tinted eyebrow gel. I use this every single day because I usually wear this instead of like my eyebrow pencil. I save that for when I'm like doing like full-on makeup, but I wear this one every day. So I figured I'd finally put that in the project. And then the two new things, I have a new mascara that I'm going to start working on when the Tarte one is done. This is the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. I haven't opened this yet, but if it is dried out like those other Tarte ones were, I'll just put a different one in. And then I'm going to be working on this Makeup Forever eyeliner. And that is where we are. Haven't marked this on the paper yet, but I will do that after this video. Whew, that is everything. Pretty sure I talked really fast through that whole thing because my camera battery light is going off. But yes, that is everything for this update. Hopefully I added some close-ups in there for you guys. But yeah, sorry again for the lighting. We're gonna keep working on it until we figure it out. But I will talk to you guys in the next video. See you guys.